In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply for an overdraft with Starling Bank. I'll be using the official Starling website for reference, but remember, the actual application must be completed within the mobile app. So even though I can't show every step visually, keep watching to know exactly what to expect. First, you can visit the Starling Bank website to read more about their overdraft features, including interest rates, eligibility criteria, and available limits. The link to this page is in the video description below. Now, to apply for an overdraft, here's what you need to do inside the app. Log into your Starling Bank mobile app, then go to your personal or business current account. Tap the three dots, or open the account settings, and look for the section labeled Overdraft or Apply for Overdraft. You'll be asked to enter some financial details and agree to a credit check. After reviewing the terms, submit your application. Starling will then assess your eligibility, and if approved, your overdraft limit will appear directly in your account. Keep in mind that approval isn't guaranteed and depends on your credit history and income information. Also remember that Starling Bank charges interest on overdraft usage, so only use it when necessary and always review the interest terms shown in your app. Since I don't have access to a live Starling account, I'm unable to show the exact application screens. However, once you're inside the app, the process is straightforward and fully guided. You'll find all the official Starling Bank links and help pages in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.